Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js. And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn very basics of Vue.js. Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will teach you very basics of Vue.js. Okay, and guys, today in this video we are gonna know that what is if, what is else, and what is else if directives in Vue.js. Okay, and how to use these directives in Vue.js just to render something based on certain conditions, based on certain results or output. Okay, so guys, trust me guys, this video will be really short and really small also, and it will be entertaining, engaging, as well as learning for you also. Okay, so guys, if you are someone who wants to start with Vue.js, who wants to become a Vue.js developer, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You must watch this video if you want to become a great Vue.js developer in future. Okay, because guys, in this video, in this session, I will explain you very basics of Vue.js, like what is if, and what is else, and what is else if, and how to use these directives in Vue.js just to render some text or codes based on certain results, based on certain outputs. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so guys, but before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, and professionally you will grow also. And guys, please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please guys, do share this video with your friend, with your colleague, with your group also, so that they will be also learning, they will be also knowing that how to render something based on certain conditions by using these directives in Vue.js. Okay, trust me guys, I promise you, if you wanna become a great Vue.js developer in future, and if you dream to become Vue.js developer, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You must watch this video, because in this video I will explain you the very basics of Vue.js directives, like what is if, what is else, and what is else if, from the basics to advanced. Okay, in this video, in this session only. Okay, so guys, it's a humble request, please watch the entire video, and then only you will be able to get something, then only you will be able to understand something from this video, from this session. Okay, and guys, trust me, this video will be really short and really small also, so that you can watch this video on the go also. Okay, so just be here and be focused and watch the entire video. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna start coding. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so let me go to the code editor first. So guys, I will use this Sublime Text, because I love this Sublime Text IDE, and I will code using Sublime Text only here in this video, in this session. Okay, if you prefer to, if you are using some different IDE, it's you are free to use different IDE also, VS Code. You are free guys to use any kind of IDE based on your choice. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create the page also first. So I will create a page. So I will say render text.html. Okay, and save the page first. Okay, so now I'm gonna create the HTML part. Okay, so code with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a service now developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 4 years of experience into software development. Okay, so guys, first of all I would like to paste some of the serial links from the previous example only. So let me go to the previous example and let me copy the serial links from there, and then we will paste here in our code. Okay, so let me just go here and let me just copy these serial links from here, and I will just paste here below the title tag. Okay, so let me just explain you also. So guys, this is the CSS for Bootstrap. Okay, as you can see here, I have got the folder named CSS, and in that folder I have got the file also called bootstrap.min.css. Okay, and guys, this is the serial link for Vue.js 3. Okay, as you can see here, Vue @3. So guys, in this video, in this session, we will be using Vue.js 3, and we are not gonna use Vue.js 2. Okay, because like it's an old version, and Vue.js 3 is like a new version, and currently lots of people is using Vue.js 3 only. Okay, so also we will be using Vue.js 3 in this video, in this session only. Okay, so guys, now first of all I will just I would like to create some of the HTML. So I will just create HTML first. So yeah, create the HTML. So create a div, give it a class as a container, and give margin top 5 and give margin bottom also 5, and just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I am gonna create another div. So give the class also as text center only, and close this div. Okay, and inside this div I am gonna create h1 element. So h1, give the class also text center and text dark also, and just close this div, and inside this div I am gonna create, yeah, it's not a div guys, it's h1. Okay, so h1, and inside this h1 I am gonna put some text from the previous example only, just to save our time. Okay, so just go here and copy this text from here and just paste inside our code. Okay, so guys, now save your code, copy the file path and go to the browser and create a new tab and just paste here, and just remove this and put localhost. Okay, and hit enter. So guys, now you can see the text also, how to render text based on certain conditions in Vue.js. Okay, trust me guys, believe me. Okay, so if else and else if directive is used to render some text, to render some codes, or to show some output to the user based on certain conditions, based on certain output in Vue.js. Okay, and guys, today in this video we are gonna learn that how to render something based on certain conditions, based on certain results, using these directives in Vue.js. Okay, so guys, be here and be focused and watch the entire video, and don't try to skip it, and don't try to fast forward the video also. Otherwise, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything. Okay, so just be here and be focused and watch the entire video. Okay, so again, let's go to the code again. So I will just below this div I am gonna create the script tag first. Okay, so I will create the script tag, and I will create the so I'm gonna create the const first. So const app, okay, equal to view.create app. Okay, and give parenthesis and put open and closing curly braces inside this, and put here semicolon. So close this. So guys, as you all know that view.create app is a function in Vue.js, and it is used to create application. It is used to create Vue.js instance. Okay, in Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, if you are working with the Vue.js 3, then you have to, and you must have to use these functions called view.create app, and you have to put parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis you have to put open and closing curly braces, and then you will be able to define like your each and everything, like methods, array, data properties, data functions, like state variables. Okay, like methods also, created methods also, computer methods also, like life cycle hook also. Okay, you are guys free to create like define anything inside this Vue.create app inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now here also I'm gonna create the data function. Okay, so I'll say data colon, I'll say function, not function, I'll say function. Yeah, so put parenthesis and put open and closing curly braces. So guys, now this data function will generally return an object. Okay, so guys, always remember this data function will generally returns an object. Okay, so guys, inside this data function we have to write the statement called return, and we have to then put open and closing curly braces. Okay, if you are working with the Vue.js 3. Okay guys, so guys, always remember this is the function Vue.js create app. Okay, to create the application, to create the Vue.js instance, and then we have to say data colon function and parenthesis open and closing curly braces, and inside the open and closing curly braces we have to say return and open and closing curly braces, because this data function will generally return an object. Okay, always remember guys, this data function will generally returns an object, and say, and then we have to say return and open and closing curly braces. And now inside this we are gonna define our some variables also, which is also known as like properties or state variables also. Okay, so guys, now I am gonna define here one variable or one like property which will be status. Okay, so which will be a status. So I'll say here status equal to status colon success. Okay, I'll say here success, not success, yeah, success. So put comma. Okay, so guys, this is the state variable or property. We have to say status status dot yeah, I mean status colon, we have to pass the status value also. Okay guys, instead of status you can put here anything. Okay, you can put here anything, you can put here anything. Okay, and guys, if you want to show the value of state value of status, then you have to first we have to create the Vue.js instance. Okay, so now just copy this app from here. Okay, so just copy this app from here and put mount, put dot, and then mount. Okay, so guys, we have to mount this Vue.js instance. Okay guys, always remember we have to mount this Vue.js instance to our HTML part also, to our Vue part also. Okay, which will be visible to our user, which will be visible to our application user. Okay, so I'll say here double inverted comma, and I will say hash, and I will give the ID as a app. Okay, so guys, always remember this is the ID because I have given here hash. Okay guys, if you want to give here dot, then if it will become a class. Okay, so as of now I have given here hash, so this is the ID, and the moment you will put dot here, the app will become the class. Okay, so guys, now we have to mount this Vue.js instance to our HTML part also, to our Vue part also. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this app from here, and I will just go here and I will create a div again. Okay, so I'll give the class also as container, and I'll give the margin top 5 and a margin bottom also 5. Okay, and just close this div. Okay, and guys, now we have to give the ID equal to app. Okay, ID equal to app. Okay, so guys, always remember this ID. Okay, this ID and this ID should be same, because here is the also ID I have given hash here, so this ID and this ID should be same. So guys, now our this div. Okay, so guys, now our this entire div, okay, have been mounted to this Vue.js instance. Okay, because I have given here ID equal to app, and here also hash and app. Okay, because this is the ID, and we have to give the ID equal to app to this parent div, just to mount this entire div with this Vue.js instance code. Okay, so guys, now if you want to show the value of this status variable to the user, then what we have to do, we have to just copy it, and we have to say here double curly braces, and we have to just paste it here. Okay, so just now save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page. See, you can see here we got the success. Okay, we got the success here. Okay, So guys, now you know that whatever you want to show to the user as an output from the Vue.js, you have to put each and everything inside the double curly braces. Okay, always remember guys, whatever you want to show to the user, like as an output from the Vue.js code, then guys you have to do each and everything inside the double curly braces. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you one more thing. So just give here br, okay, and just you can do simple calculation also here. So I'll say here double curly braces, okay, and I will say here 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so guys, ideally we should be getting 15 guys. If each and everything is okay, then we will get 15, otherwise we will get error. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and now refresh the page. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, we got the success, which is the status variable value success, and we got the 15 also, this 15 also, which is this simple calculation. Okay, so guys, whatever you want to show to the user as an output, you have to put each and everything inside the double curly braces. Then only Vue is gonna understand, then only Vue is gonna pass it, and then it will show the result to the user as a output. Okay, so guys, just remove this, we don't require this. Okay, and we also don't require this, so just remove this, because here we are gonna learn that what is if, what is else, and what is else if directive inside the Vue.js, and how to use these directives just to render something based on certain conditions. Okay, so guys, now quickly I'm gonna create here three element. Okay, so I'll just create here as 3 element. I will give the class also as success. Okay, so success, and just close this h1. Okay, and just copy this and just paste it 2 times. Okay, so guys, now I'll just reverse this class to error. Okay, and I'll just give this class as a waiting. Okay, so waiting, and I'll just write the text also inside this. So I'll say here operation, successful. Okay, so I'll just give here br also, and inside this below this br I'm gonna write some other text. I will say here put your message and other steps also. Okay, and inside this h1 I'm gonna say here, I'll say here oops. Okay, oops, something wrong happen. Okay, something wrong happens. Okay, so yeah, and I'll just give here br also, and yeah, below this br I'm gonna write some other text, show. So I'll say here show error message here. Okay, here, and inside this h1 I'm gonna write the text. I'll say here waiting. Okay, waiting for the operations. Okay, waiting for the operations to complete. Okay, to complete. So I'll give here a br also. Okay, and below this br I'm gonna put some text also. So I'll say here execution. Okay, execution taking time. Okay, so now save your code, go to the browser, and now refresh the page. So see guys, as of now we can see all the all these 3 h1 element. Okay, so guys, as of now we can see all these h1 element. Here you can see here operation successful, put your message and other stuff here. Also oops, something went wrong, wrong happens. Okay, show error message here, and waiting for the operations to complete, like execution taking time. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, like we are able to see the all three messages at the same time. Okay, so guys, we we don't want this to happen. Okay, we want to show this message to the user based on certain conditions. Okay guys, otherwise suppose like our operation is successful, then we will show this success message. If our operation is something went wrong, then we will show this message. And if our operation is taking time, okay, execution is taking time, then we will show this message to the user. Okay, so guys, how to do this? Okay, how to achieve these features, these functions? Okay, so guys, that's why Vue.js here, and it provides us it provides us directives called vif, velse, and velse if directive, just to achieve our goal. Okay, just to achieve our aim. Okay, so guys, what I said on to you. So guys, if something is successful, then we will show this message. If something something is wrong, something is not successful, then we will show this message to the user. And if something is taking time, if our execution is taking time, then we will show this message to the user. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna start here using vif directives in Vue.js. So just go to the code. Okay, and I will say here, so I'll say here vif. Okay, so vif, I'll say equal to and double inverted comma, and what we have to do, guys, we have to say here status. Okay, we have to check here status equal to if it is success. Okay, so guys, we will say here if vif, guys, always remember, we will say vif equal to double inverted comma, and we will check here if status equal to success. Okay, if status equal to success, then we will render this h1 element. Okay, then we will render this h1 element. And guys, if something is wrong, something bad happens to our code, to our execution, to our output, then again we will say here else. Okay, we will say here else. So guys, basically, else and vif will generally work like if else statement in Vue.js. Okay, always remember, guys, vif and velse will definitely, or it will similarly work like vif and if and else conditions in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, it will be considered as a if statement. Okay, it will be considered as a if statement, and it will be considered as a else statement. Okay, so it will be considered as a else statement. So I'll say here, I'll also say here if velse, and I'll say here equal to status equal to I'll say here error. Okay, error. Okay, then guys, we will show this message to the user. Okay, and if something is taking time, okay, something is taking time, and then we will show this message to the user. So we will say here velse. Okay, velse, and guys, we don't have to provide any conditions inside this velse. Okay, always remember, guys, we have to provide the conditions inside our vif and inside our velse. Okay, and we don't have to provide any conditions inside our here we will say velse if. Okay, velse if. Okay, so guys, always remember, we have to provide the conditions in our vif and in our velse if, and we don't have to provide any conditions in our velse. Okay, so guys, it will be nothing will be here as a conditions, and we will provide the conditions only in velse if and vif. Okay, so guys, now guys, always like I already explained you, this vif will work like a if statement in JavaScript, and this velse if will work like a else if statement in JavaScript, and this velse will work like as a else statement in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, it is similar to vif statement in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, now we will be expecting our first h1 to render as a output to the user. Okay, because here we are checking if if equal to status equal to success. So guys, we will just render this message. Okay, so as of now the value of the status variable is success. Okay, as you can see here, the value of the status variable is success, so we will definitely able to see this h1. Okay, and we will not be able to see this h1, and we will not able to see this h1. Okay, so guys, all like these two h1 will be removed from the DOM. Okay, so guys, it will be not here in the DOM also. Okay, it will be removed from the DOM also. See guys, how powerful our Vue.js is. Okay guys, it will remove all these h1 element from the DOM itself. Okay, so it will be not here in our DOM also. Okay, I will show you by inspecting. Okay, I will try to inspect it, and I will show you also that it will be not here in our DOM also. Okay, it will be removed completely from the DOM also. Okay, because our Vue.js is very reactive and very powerful also. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser, and now refresh the page. Okay, see, boom guys, as you can see here, operation successful. Put your other message here. Okay, so just let me go to the developer tool, and let me just go to the console. No, go to the element only. So open the body. Okay, open the body element. Open the body element, and yeah, go this one. See guys, okay, as you can see here, we are able to see only h1 element. Okay, with the class success. Okay, see, we are not able to see these two h1 element for with the class error or with the class waiting. Okay, so guys, these two h1 element will be completely removed from the DOM itself. Okay, it will be not here in our DOM also. Okay, this is the beauty of Vue.js. This is the power of Vue.js. Okay, it will remove these two h1 element from the DOM itself. Okay, because the condition is false, because this condition is also false. Okay, so guys, now quickly I will create the style sheet also, just to style our text only. Okay, so nothing else guys, it will take only few minutes of time. Okay, so just paste here, and I'll say here color equal to green. Okay, and just copy this error message class and just paste it here, and just give the class color also. So I'll give the color as a red. Okay, and just copy this wedding class from here and just paste it here. Okay, and I'll give the color as, so I'll give the color as hash C9. Okay, C9 2F and DF. Okay, so guys, now just save your code, go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, see, so now let me just put here text center. Okay, so now yeah, you can see here. So guys, as you can see here, we will be able to see only h1 element with the class success. Okay, and we won't be able to see this h1 element and this h1 element in our DOM. Okay, because this is completely removed by the Vue.js. Okay, so guys, now as you can see here, we have been checking here if equal to status equal to success. So as of now, the value of this status variable is success. Okay, so that's why we are able to see our operation successful. Put your message and other stuff here. Okay, so as you can see here, operation successful, put your message and other stuff here. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna change this value of the status variable. So I will say here error. Okay, I'll say here error. Okay, so guys, now we will be expecting to see this h1 element. Okay, with the class error, and we will say see the text also. Oops, something went something wrong happens. Okay, show error message here also. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and now refresh the page. Okay, see, boom guys, see, we will be able to only see h1 element with the class error, and we won't be able to see this h1 element, and we won't be able to see this one, this h1 element, because it have been removed by the Vue.js from the DOM itself. Okay, from the DOM itself, because these two conditions fails. Okay, because these two conditions does not meet the like what can I say, yeah, conditions. Okay, so that's why we are able to see only this h1 element with the class error, and this h1 element have been removed. Okay, this h1 element have been removed from the DOM, and this one h1 element have been removed because these two h2 element have not met the conditions status equal to error. Okay, so just as you can see here, oops, something wrong happens. Show error message to the so error message here. Okay, so now just give the nothing. Okay, so guys, as of now the value of the status variable is nothing, which means null or empty. So guys, we will be able to see this h1 element with the class waiting, and the text also waiting for the operations to complete, execution taking time. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and now refresh the page. See, boom guys, as you can see here, we are only able to see h1 with the class waiting, and we won't be able to see other h1 element with the class success with the class error, because these two h1 element doesn't met with the conditions. Okay, so these two fails to meet the conditions. That's why we are able to see only this one element with the class status, because here we are saying v else. Okay, and it is not taking any conditions. Okay, it is not checking for any conditions. So if status equal to nothing or it is null, it will definitely display this h1 element with the class waiting, and we will be able to see waiting for the operations to complete, execution taking time. Okay, so just save your code. As you can see here, waiting for the operations to complete, execution taking time. Okay, so guys, see, this is the power, this is the beauty of Vue.js. You are not able to see any other h1 element. Okay, because it have been removed from the DOM entirely by our Vue.js. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, I will definitely try to make videos on again on if v else if, and v else with the some more and more extra and advanced feature, and we will use v if, v else if, and v else, just to learn something in deep, something to the code. Okay, so guys, I will definitely try to make video also. So I hope guys you have learned something, that what is v if and what is v else if, and what is v else, and how to display text or certain things based on certain conditions by using these directives in Vue.js. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session. So guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also. Okay, and please guys do like on my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, as well as on full stack development also. Okay, so guys, please guys do share this video among your friend, among your colleague, among your group also, so that they will be also learning, they will be also knowing that how to use these directives from Vue.js. Okay, and guys, let me ask you guys one more thing. Guys, please guys do tell me that how do you feel. Do let me know guys in the comment, in the comment section below, that how do you feel about this video, about this session. Guys, please guys, I need your suggestions, I need your a feedback, whether I am speaking too fast, whether my voice is not audible, whether my voice is not clear to you, whether I should make videos in Hindi only. See guys, I can speak Hindi also, because I belongs to Bihar only. Okay, and I can definitely speak Hindi, that too very very, I mean, what can I say, very good Hindi also I can speak. Okay, so guys, just give me your suggestion, just give me your feedback in the comment section below, that how do you feel about this video, about this session. If you guys have any suggestions for me regarding my voice, regarding my tone, regarding my I'm not audible, I'm not clear, like my voice is too fast, am I speaking too fast, my voice is not clear, my voice is not audible, whether I should speak in Hindi only, whether I should stop making videos also. Okay, see guys, if you will tell me no, I should stop making videos also, I will definitely close my YouTube channel and I will not make my videos at all. I just need your suggestions, I just need your feedback, that how do you feel about my videos, about my sessions. Okay, so guys, I'm expecting your kind and your valuable suggestions on me as well as on my tutorials also. Okay, so guys, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. Okay.